Metro.
This way.
Metro.
This way.
Metro. Metro.
I don't see Cristiano Ronaldo, I don't see Messi, I see a Metro guy. That's the reason why I am here.
This way!
Metro.
He's quite famous here. Everyone's been sending me his videos, because the way he says metro this way it's catchy.
Ole, 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 ole. Metro. This way.
It's just, fun that he's just become famous for doing something, for being kind to people, showing people direction.
Metro.
He is so down to earth, funny, kind, respectful.
It's just quite catchy. Whenever he says metro this way, if I say, okay, metro this way, it will not be much attractive.
Stadium Express. This way.